Good morning, students. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel, Santosh Tutorial. In today's class, I'll discuss about pronoun. Pronoun, as you know, pronoun is a word that takes the place of common noun or proper noun. You see, means in general way you can say a word which takes place of noun, on the place of noun. So in a sentence, noun can be used as a subject and as an object. As we can use pronoun also on the place of subject as well as on the place of object. So examples all of you know: she, he, I, we, you. These are different examples of pronoun. This is very basic of English grammar. So I hope you know well. Come to the types of pronoun. That is very much important. Types of different types of pronoun. So one by one we will see. First one is personal pronoun. Personal means on the place of person. On the place of person. So the pronoun which is used for a person. एक जो पर्सन के लिए जो प्रोनाउन यूज होते हैं उनको हम पर्सनल प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड बाय इट्स वर्ड. सी एग्जाम्पल: आई, यू, ही, सी, इट, वी, दे. These are personal pronouns. They take the place of noun and are used as subject of the verb in a sentence. So these are your personal pronoun. Here you just remember about this one. In some of the book you will get it as impersonal. Impersonal pronoun. This is another type. Why this is impersonal? Because this is used for non-living object. So on the place of non-living object we use it. So some of the time it is called that this is impersonal. So you just remember this one. All other pronouns known as personal pronoun. You just see the example. Here I is used for David. On the place of noun I am. He for his father. She for my mother. I have a brother and sister. So as a subject used. They. Like that, these are different pronoun you can use in a sentence. So this is your personal pronoun. Subject of a sentence is the person, animal, place, thing that does the action shown by the verb. In a structure of English grammar, you know that subject, verb and object. This is the structure of English grammar. So noun can be subject as well as object, and pronoun is used on the place of noun. So pronoun also can be used as subject as well as object. So this thing you just remember. On the place of subject, what the thing you can use? You can use a person, you can use an animal, place or thing, as we discussed in noun section. Let's see. So the objective case of these personal pronoun: me, you, him, her, it, us, them. These are the objective case of all personal pronouns. They also take the place of noun. These pronouns are used as object of the verb. I told you subject, verb, object. So these objective case used as object of verb. Let's see example. I am standing on my head. Look at me. So me. You can't say like that. Look at I. Grammatically incorrect. So on the when you are using a pronoun on the place of object, you have to use objective case. When you are using a pronoun on the place of subject, you have to use subjective case. So this thing you just remember. I told you dad is waiting for you, dad is watching us, give it to me, put them. So these are objective case and used as object in the sentence. Object of a sentence is the person, animal, place, things that receives the action shown by the verb. So the where is subject, where subject of a sentence known as where, and the action of this where is received by object, received on object. ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर जो भी एक्शन होता है, ड्वेयर का जो एक्शन होता है जो दिखता है हमको, वो किसके ऊपर दिखता है? ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर. जैसे ही किक्स द बॉल, है ना, ही किक्स द बॉल. सो हु किक्स? ही. सो व्हाट इज द एक्शन शोन ऑन होम? बॉल. ऑन बॉल. बॉल के ऊपर किक करने का एक्शन हो रहा है. सो बॉल इज ऑब्जेक्ट हियर, ही इज सब्जेक्ट हियर. सो यू जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस वन. Here you can see first person, second person and third person. In English pronoun, there are three groups of pronouns. So first person, second person and third person. So first person क्या है? Person speaking is called first person. The person who is speaking, so that is first person. In first person, I is first person singular and me is objective of that one. B is first person plural and us is objective case of that one. Okay. What is second person? Is a see second spoken to, है ना. The person spoken to is called second person, means to whom you are talking. That is second person. The second person pronoun is you in both singular as well as plural. You can use you with or for plural as well as for singular. The person, animal, things spoken about, that is called third person. So the third person pronoun are he, him, she, her, it, they, them. So these are your third person pronoun. You can understand like that. I am discussing with you about pronoun. So I is first person, means myself is first person. You are second person. I am talking with you. So you are second person. I am talking about pronoun topic. So pronoun is third person. Like that you can understand this first person, second person and third person. Here you see I is always spelled with capital letter. This thing you remember. I always spelled in capital letter. Doesn't matter, used in the starting of a sentence, in the middle of the sentence. Pronoun he is used for men and she is for women or girl. It for things and animals. Here you see subjective, objective and there is another case, that is possessive case. So यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हैं one more case, possessive. स्पेलिंग कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. ओके. सो आई, मी, माइन, you, yours, he, him, his, she, her, it, eats, we, us, ours, you, yours, they, them, theirs. So these are three cases. One is subjective case, second is objective case and third one is possessive case. So you just understand this subjective case is always used on the place of subject in a sentence. Subject, verb, object. So on the place of subject you can use subjective case of pronoun. On the place of object you can use objective case of pronoun. This thing you have to remember. Possessive case, I'll tell you, there is one type of pronoun in reflexive pronoun. So reflexive, when you add self, है ना, in these pronouns like that, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, this pronoun is also known as emphatic pronoun. Emphatic means shows they refer a person, animal, subject of verb. I made this cake myself, yourself, himself. Michael is looking at himself in the mirror. Susan has heard herself. Like that. So when you are using these pronoun known as reflexive pronoun or emphatic pronoun, because these pronouns emphasizes on the subject. Singular and plural of reflexive pronoun, you can see myself is singular, ourselves is plural, yourself, yourselves, himself, himselves, herself, themselves, like that one. So these are singular and plural of these reflexive pronoun. You just keep in mind. It's very easy because already I have discussed with you that I is first person singular, at the same time we is first person plural. You, both first person as well as second person. In third person, he, she, it, third person singular, and they, third person plural. So you can change these one in reflexive one. Themselves, himself, herself, itself, like that one. Interrogative: who, whom, whose, what, which. These are your interrogative pronoun. These pronoun are used to ask questions because these are question words. इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Question words. They used as interrogative pronoun. Who is he talking to? Who are those people? Whom are you playing with? Whom is he talking to? So these interrogative words used as interrogative pronoun in these sentences. Some other examples: what is your dog's name? What are you talking about? What is the time? So very simple examples are there. So you just go through these examples. This is another type, that is interrogative. Here you see who can be used as the object of the verb as well as subject. Whom is used only as a object. For example, you can say, who are you playing with? Who are you playing with? Whom are you playing with? So here the thing which you just remember, whom is used only as object of verb, and this who can be used as subject and object of the verb. This is the difference between who and whom. Next one is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative means demonstrate, to show, to show anything. कोई भी चीज़ को दिखाने के लिए हम इस प्रोनाउन को यूज़ करते हैं. इसमें 4 हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज दिस, these, that, those. This, plural of this is these, and that, plural of this one, those. For nearby objects, this and these are used, and for far object, far away object, that and those. This thing you just remember. Here example, you can say, these are sheep, that is John's house, that is a mountain, those are horses. What are those? We can do better than that. This is my house, this is a hill, these are donkeys. So like that, there are so many examples You can see and you can make your own examples also. Here, if you remember my noun slide, here you see this is used for plural, but sheep is as, means no change in sheep. Why? Because sheep is used as singular as well as plural in the same form. There is no change. Here you see this, these, when you point to things near you, that, those, farther away. नज़दीक की चीज़ों के लिए दिस और दीज यूज करेंगे, और दूर के चीज़ों के लिए दैट एंड so these are your types of pronoun. Here for your practice, just see, fill in the blanks with correct pronouns. Peter and I are brothers, है ना? So we share a bedroom together. So here in first one I just tell you. Here you can fill yourself. So you just take the screenshot of this exercise and do yourself, practice yourself. So that's all from this pronoun section. In next class we will meet with some other new topic. Okay, that's all.